Hello everyone, this is repolyo in Tagalog. In English, we call this cabbage. In Arabic, guys, we call this malfoof. Here are some benefits of this gulay or cabbage. It's like fight inflammations, keeps you strong, improves digestion, protects your heart, lowers your blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, maintains bone health and healthy blood clotting, and keeps cancer fighting. These are the benefits of this cabbage or repolyo in Tagalog. This is good to our health, that's why we must eat these kinds of vegetables. Hope you learn and like it. This is how much in Philippine money? 90 pesos, guys, but it's okay. We need to eat this malfo for cabbage because this is good to our health and hope you learn from it. Thank you.